Hey, it's Scott from National Appliance Warehouse. Today I wanted to take some time and actually talk about how built-in refrigerators actually can be installed to your discretion or your option. With that said, this is an integrated all refrigerator married to an all wine and an all freezer. So this is three separate units. And integrated means that the hinges actually bring the doors flush into your cabinetry, and it becomes part of the cabinetry. Here, to the refrigerator to the left of it, this is a professional refrigerator, and it sits proudly beyond the countertops. So this is exactly the way it will install, just the way you see it. We step another foot down here to our left, we're going to see a custom panel refrigerator. Again, these are top compressors, and this sticks out from the cabinets. It's a 36, 42, or 48 inch wide, depending on your needs. And it does stick out from the countertops, just like this Pro refrigerator does. Or we can have the same exact refrigerator in a bit of a wider opening. So this is something you're going to need to specify to your cabinet makers or your contractors doing the work, that you need to open up the cabinet and recess it and actually make it a little bit deeper. So now you can have that same style refrigerator I just showed you that stuck out, sit in flush. So those are the 3-4 different ways that you can install these refrigerators and make it custom into your home, rather than just the way that the cabinet's designed it. It's up to you. With that, I appreciate you taking the time. Come see us at National Appliance Warehouse in Wilmington, Delaware.